in Araling Panlipunal, the medal is to be imposed by her mother and the Araling Panlipunan teacher, Ma'am Cecilia S. Lunchong. Certificate of appreciation goes to Ligardi Megan Alexa. Certificate of appreciation hereby given to Megan Alexa Y. Ligarde for her dedication in the church activities and programs since March 2024, serving as Angels Choir and Junior Choir. Given this 15th day of April 2025 at Tacorong Pilot Elementary School by Nuestra Senora de la Candelaria Parish, City of Tacorong, Sultan Kudarat. Signed, Ophelia Zerna Suerte, Angels and Sherds. Signed, Mr. Elizardi Dalangit, Music Ministry Coordinator. Signed, Mr. Eduardo Atienza Alog, Parish Pastoral Council President. Signed, Mr. Jonathan Sol Purazo, Parish Pastoral Coordinator. Signed, Reverend Father Izaldi D. Panagiton DCC, Parish Priests. Congratulations to the proud parents. With high honors goes to Seth Aaron C. Ligayada. The medal is to be imposed by his beloved parents, Mr. and Mrs. Orlando Doriro Ligayada. Award is to be given to the awardee, Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Photo Jorn. Goes to Ligayada Seth Aaron. And now, another award or scholarship is to be given to the awardee, Philippine Science High School Scholar. May we request, of course, the representative from Philippine Science High School, Madam Janet B. Lorca, the Assistant Curriculum Instruction Division Chief, Student Affairs, Philippine Science High School, Soc Sargent Region Campus. Congratulations from Tacorong Pilot Elementary School. Ladies and gentlemen, with high honors goes to Darwin Math Hendricks G. Palmes. The medal is to be imposed by his parents, retired Second Lieutenant Jerwin C. Palmes. We would like to request the mother of the awardee and the science teacher to award or to impose the medal to Darwin Math Hendricks for his Best in Science, Sir Gary Ben L. Simbrano. Best in Math goes to Darwin Math Hendricks G. Palmes. We would like to request the parents of the awardee and the math teachers to impose the medal of the awardee, Sir Isidro Eugenio Carvajal. Congratulations to the proud parents. And now, ladies and gentlemen, another Philippine Science High School scholar, Darwin Math Hendricks Palmes. Again, we would like to request a representative from the Philippine Science High School Soxargen Region Campus to impose the medals. Congratulations. Another award, Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Sport Writing English, goes to Darwin Matt Hendricks Palmes. We would like to request, of course, their parents to impose the medals. Ma'am Mary Grace Palmes and the retired Second Lieutenant Jerwin C. Palmes. Congratulations. Another award is to be given to the awardee, Regional Festival of Talent Number Race winner. Goes to Darwin Matt Hendricks Palmes. Award, Regional Mathematics Olympics RMO Qualifier, goes to Darwin Matt Hendricks G. Palmes. He will also be receiving an awards of scholarship certificate. Awards the certificate 100 free tuition fee for 1 year to Darwin Matt Hendricks G. Palmes for the school year 2025-2026. Congratulations. But I think she will be in the Philippine Science High School. Doon na siya mag-aaral. Next, another award is hereby given to the awardee, Darwin Matt Hendricks Palmes, another Archbishop Philip F. Smith OMIDD Excellence Award. He is entitled of 100% discount on tuition fees for the school year 2025-2026, given this 15th day of April 2025 at Tacurong City Sports, Tacurong City, Philippines. Signed, Reverend Father Jesse P. Paskin, DCC, President, Notre Dame of Tacurong College. Congratulations with the medal. Congratulations, Darwin, and of course, the proud parents of our awardee. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the last to receive with a high honors goes to Rindon Franz Margaret. We would like to request the parents of Franz Margaret to impose the with high honors. Mr. and Mrs. Jens A. Rindon and her beloved mother, Liwayway A. Rindon. Ladies and gentlemen, another award is to be given to Rindon Franz Margaret. Best in Filipino goes to Franz Margaret Rindon. We would like to request the Filipino teacher to ask the parents to impose the medal, Best in Filipino. Ma'am Mayflower Tombok Ponce, Master Teacher 2. Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Collaborative Desktop Publishing, Filipino, goes to Rindon Franz Margaret. Congratulations. Again, the parents will stay there to impose the medal. Another leadership award is to be given to the awardee, Rindon Franz Margaret. Another award, Division Federation Celje Leadership Award, goes to Rindon Franz Margaret. We would like to request the parents of the awardee to impose the medal. Last award to be given to the awardee. J.C. Campilan Leadership Award goes to Rindon Franz Margaret. Congratulations to the awardee, Franz Margaret, and of course, the proud parents, Ma'am Liwayway and Sir Jens. Congratulations. Let's proceed to with honors goes to Noel and Abaro. The medal is to be imposed by his father, Noel Di Pedro Abaro Jr. With honors goes to Ancheta Cyril Rain. The medal is to be imposed by her father, Mr. and Mrs. Dilmani D. Ancheta. Regional Festival of Talent Dancer goes to Noel and Abaro. Congratulations to the awardee and of course to the proud parents. Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Editorial Writing Filipino goes to Cyrene Rain Ancheta. With honors goes to Asuncion Edmal Gabriel. The award, the medal is to be imposed by his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Valdez Asuncion. Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Photojourn goes to Asuncion Edmar Gabriel. Certificate of Appreciation hereby granted to Edmar Gabriel R. Asuncion for his dedication in the church activities and programs since April 11, 2022, serving as Angel Choir and Children's Choir, given this 15th day of April 2025, at Tacurong Pilot Elementary School by Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria Parish, City of Tacurong, Sultan Kudarat. Congratulations. With honors goes to Marco Checo Valientes. Regional Festival of Talent Folk Dancer goes to Marco Checo Valientes. We would like to request the parents, Mr. Mark Romel S. Valientes, or the grandmother. Congratulations. With honors goes to Bautista Nathan Edison. Awards to be received by the awardee are the following. We would like to request the parents of Bautista Nathan Edison, Mr. and Mrs. Edison Nieves Bautista. Israa Qualifier, bronze, goes to Bautista Nathan Edison. City of Tacurong Sports Excellence Award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Bautista Nathan Edison. Congratulations to the proud parents. With honors goes to Baila Trexie Yen. We would like to request the parents of the awardee, Mr. and Mrs. Roydan and Biala. Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Collaborative Desktop Publishing Filipino, goes to Biala Trexie Yen. Congratulations. With honors goes to Aryan May Bugador. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Alvin A. Bugador. With honors goes to Dacalanyo Daniel Vania. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arturo Ramos Dacalanyo Jr. Regional Festival of Talent Folk Dancer goes to Dacalanyo Daniel Vania. With honors goes to De La Victoria Jacova Francesca. Wala nang palakpak, makatulog na kayo. Regional Festival of Talent Folk Dancer goes to De La Victoria Jacova Francisca. Another award is to be given to the awardee, Selgi Service Award. Congratulations to the proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. J. Francis de la Victoria. With honors goes to the Vera Benvenido Rich. We would like to request the parents of the Vera, Mr. and Mrs. Ridley Lee De Vera, to impose the medal. Congratulations to the proud parents and of course to the awardee. With honors goes to Dumider Eli Ilandre. The medal will be imposed by his mother, Mrs. Yvette Sustiger Dumider. With honors goes to Fabiliore Megan Kate. Regional Festival of Talent Folk Dancer goes to Fabiliore Megan Kate. Certificate of Appreciation hereby given to Megan Kate P. Fabiliore for her dedication in the church activities and programs since March 2023, serving as Angels Choir, Dampog Cast and Junior Choir, given this 15th day of April 2025 at Takurong Pilot Elementary School by Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria Parish, City of Takurong, Sultan Kudarat. Congratulations. With honors goes to Hapitana Zail. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Naniel Hapitana. Regional Festival of Talent Folk Dancer goes to the awardee, Zail Hapitana. With honors goes to Lagunoy Yuji. Yuzel Gail Lagunoy will receive the following awards. Israa Qualifier Gold. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Charles Dennis Lagunoy and Ma'am Noemi Gapasin Lagunoy. Congratulations. With honors goes to Shello Antoinette Linan. The medal is to be imposed to her by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Angelo A. Linan. Another award, Regional Festival of Talent, Pintahusay, second place. Another award is to be given to the awardee, Regional School Press Conference Qualifier, Editorial Cartooning. Ang mga bata, paalala sa mga bata, hindi palaging tayo ng tayo, alis sa upuan, balik po kayo sa ating upuan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, we would like to request the East-West I Respect Award representative to award this I Respect Award 2025. We would like to request Sir Jomelito M. Carbonell, the team leader, Tacorong Branch, to impose the medal of the awardee. Likewise, we would like to request on the stage the team leader of Isulan, Sir Ronald P. Pavillolas, to give the cash incentive to the awardee. I would like to disclose that the amount received by the awardee is 5,000 pesos. Congratulations to the proud parents and of course from East to West, Isulan and Tacorong Branch. Sir Jomelito Carbonell and Sir Ronald Pavillolas. Thank you so much and congratulations from Tacorong Pilot Elementary School, I Respect 2025. Let's continue. With honors goes to Longno Maya Sateya Yadao. The medal is to be imposed by her father, Sir Teddy Domingo Longno Jr. Congratulations. Let's move on. With honors goes to Lopez Trexie Kylvin Joy. The awardee will also receive Regional School Press Conference Sport Writing. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, with honors goes to Luardo Wilhelm Evson. The medal is to be imposed by his father or parents, Mr. and Mrs. Junel T. Luardo. Congratulations. With honors goes to Cathalea Joy Manzano. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Brian Manzano. The awardee will also receive an award from Regional School Press Conference Photojourn. With honors goes to Molina Zayan. He will also be receiving a medal as a folk dancer during the Regional Festival of Talent. The medal is to be imposed by his mother, Lalaine B. Molina. With honors goes to Alriana Ukol. The medal is to be imposed by Mr. and Mrs. Richard C. Ukol. Likewise, the awardee will receive a medal during the Regional School Press Conference Photojourn competition. Congratulations. We would like to request all the graduates to please stay where you are. With honors goes to Pama Juliana Charis. Wala na kayong palakpak. Are you tired? Matagal pa tayo. Congratulations sa mga parents. Juliana Charis Pama will also receive a medal because of her participation during the Regional School Press Conference Collaborative Desktop Publishing English. The medal is to be imposed by her mother, Madam Charis Ancheta Pama. With honors goes to Pareño Zane Zorel. The medal is to be imposed by his mother, Mrs. Novi Grace Pareño. Congratulations. With honors goes to Julia Casopea Sol. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. Rujan E. Sol. With honors goes to Tumala Zophie Angel Tabora. The medal is to be imposed by her father, Sir Fred Tumala. Zophie Angel Tumala will also receive a medal during her participation sa Regional School Press Conference Photojourn. Congratulations. With honors goes to Umpa April Gamery. My God, wala nang clapping of hands. Yung iba naga-cellphone na kasi. They're already tired. The awardee will also receive Regional School Press Conference Collaborative Desktop Publishing Filipino. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Henry P. Umpa. Congratulations. With honors goes to Villasiran Chris Andre. The medal is to be imposed by his parents. Madam Angie. With honors goes to Viola Davian Kate. The awardee will also receive an award because of his participation during the Regional Festival of Talent as folk dancer. Congratulations. The medal is to be imposed by his father, Mr. and Mrs. Brian Glane Pasol Viola. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the last but not the least will receive the award. Congratulations. With honors goes to Rashida M. Sakaria. The medal is to be imposed by her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Morsid E. Sakaria. Congratulations. The awardee will also receive an award during her participation as a column writer in English during the Regional School Press Conference. And another award is to be given to Sakaria Rashid, Regional Musabaka Islamic Values Quiz B. Congratulations sa lahat na nagkamit ng karangalan. Ang aking pagbati, congratulations especially to the parents. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Good afternoon once again.
Okay, congratulations! Mga kabataang nagkamit ng karangalan mula sa Pangkat Rizal. Okay, again, yung mga batang nakatayo dyan sa likod, tinatawagan po ng pansin na kung pwede umupo muna tayo, no? Kasi hindi pa natatapos ang ating palatuntunan sa hapong ito. And then sa mga parents din po, hindi pa po tapos ang ating palatuntunan. Please, ang mga bata, wag munang tawag po dyan sa kanilang mga upuan. Mga bata, again, nakikita dito sa harapan, ang labas-pasok nyo po sa loob ng gym. Okay, tinatawagan si Ginang Mayflower T. Ponce, Master Teacher 2, tagapayo ng Pangkat Mabini upang banggitin ang mga batang may karangalan.
Mga bata, gusto kong marinig ang palakpak pagkatapos kong tawagin ang pangalan ng batang may karangalan. Naintindihan ako mga bata? Okay, very good. Isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Bilang tagapayo ng Pangkat Mabini, ikinararangal ko pong ipakilala at ipabatid ang mga batang nagpamalas ng galing at husay sa iba't ibang patimpalak taong pampaaralan 2024 at 2005. With honors goes to Abanales Daniel F. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Michelle Abanales. Ay naintindihan, palakpak mga bata. With honors, Abiera Kirk Ivan. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Yvonne D. Abiera. With honors, Aligonero Princess Ella. Palakpak mga bata! Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Rhea Aligonero. Okay, gusto ko isang malakas na palakpak. With honors, Alipio Yurica Hera. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng SELG Service Award. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginoong at Ginang Christopher Alipio. With honors, Rian Jane P. Arbis Rian Jane P. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Salvacion Arbis. Palakpak mga bata! With honors, Valiera Feb Angela. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Giselle Valiera. Bacharo Lawrence Gabriel. With honors. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng Sports Award o ISRAA Qualifier sa larangan ng football at Takurong Sports Excellence Award. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginoong at Ginang Yvonne Rex Bacharo. With honors, Bermejo Dilmar. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Delson L. Bermejo. With honors, Bulenses Leslie. At RSPC Qualifier Collaborative. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Lani Bulenses. With honors, Kadungog Rian. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Joan Kadungog. Kamangig Joan LV. With honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Joel Kamangig. Kusi Stephen Angelo. With honors. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng Sports Award o ISRAA Qualifier sa larangan ng badminton at Takurong Sports Excellence Award. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang kapatid, Binibining Sofia Marie T. Cusi. Shamsi de los Santos with honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Quirino A. de los Santos Jr. With honors, Imblawa Marian A. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakalob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Marvin D. Imblawa. With honors, Esteban Jos Aaron. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakalob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Flora L. Esteban. Gonzales Lance with honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Josefina T. Gonzales. With honors, Jacusalim JCU. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakalob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Jenny U. Jacusalim. Palakpak mga bata! Laconza Vincent with honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Darlene A. Laconza. Wala nang powers ang graduates natin? Buhay pa? Okay, isang malakas na palakpak. Ay, mahina. With honors, Laquit Adriel Smear. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakalob ng kanyang ama, Ginong Ray Jaime D. Laquit. Palakpakan mga bata! Ay, mahina. With honors, Lamintak Shadrach Jan. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Jenny E. Lamintak. Walang fancy Lamintak, si Shadrach. With honors, Ledesma Ayana Kim. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Roy M. Ledesma. With honors, Loreto Amir Yasir. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Loreto. With honors, Makasama Jet Andrew. Walang fan si Jet Andrew? Ay, mahina. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng RSPC qualifier at ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginoong at Ginang Norvin P. Makasama. Magbanwa Andy P. With honors, ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Elmer Magbanwa. Malahos Jacob Daniel with honors. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Margel D. Malahos. With honors, Mansano Justin Jeff. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Jeffrey G. Manzano. Montaño Jos Marlon Luis with honors. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng Certificate of Recognition as member of Knights of the Altar. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Marlon M. Montaño. Sir, balik muna, sir. Yung certificate niya. With honors, Olivo Elisha Francis Luis. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng SELG Service Award. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang lola, Ginang Adoracion Salazar, at ng kanyang tito, Ginoong Jonathan R. Salazar. Oronya Graham Russell. With honors, siya rin ay tatanggap ng SELG Service Award. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginoong at Ginang Ferdinand Mark G. Oronya. With honors, Janela Pagutaw. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng RSPC Qualifier, SciTech. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginoong Larry M. Pagutaw. Okay, mga bata, 10 palakpak. Go! 1, 2, with honors, Peñalosa Hazley Faith. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Hazel P. Peñalosa. With honors, Perez Micaela Grace. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Maricel B. Flores. Pirante Rex Gabriel, with honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang ina, Ginang Faith P. Pirante. Salamat Amid Lawrence, with honors. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Salamat. With honors, Tayag Nas Aaron Jacob. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ama, Ginoong Ronaldo M. Tayag. Okay, mga bata, 5 palakpak. With honors, Tolentino Rian Benedict. At RSPC qualifier. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang ina, Ginang Princess G. Tolentino. With honors, Tonggol Lorraine Antoinette. Siya rin ay tatanggap ng RSPC qualifier. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginoong at Ginang Tonggol. With honors at RSPC qualifier, Oyog Shena Mildred. Ito ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginang Richelle P. Oyog. The last but not the least, ang kanyang kapatid, with honors, Oyog Cedric Riquez Mateo. Okay, anak, sabay ka na dito ga. Ito ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang, Ginang Richelle P. Oyog. Congratulations sa lahat ng tumanggap ng karangalan. Mga bata, 5 bagsak na palakpak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maraming salamat po.
Mga batang nagkamit ng karangalan sa pangkat Antonio Luna. Ito ako niya, ano nito? Hindi ko dalagan. Basada Antoinette. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang papa. With honors, Benito Red Gabriel. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang papa. With honors, Benito Bermejo Eduardo III. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. With honors, Kabansag Princess Natalie. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. With honors, De La Cruz Gian Nickel. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. Elio Laika with honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang papa. With honors, Fabali Cataleya. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. With honors, Gabriel Crisiel Fay. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mga magulang. With honors, Kamit Mahaleya Jazira. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang papa. With honors, Lazaro Liana Kate. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. Graduates, pwede bumalik kayo sa upuan ninyo. Huwag tayo ng tayo. With honors, Lindeo Sofia Verlin Joy. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. Palakpak naman, graduates. Konti lang marinig na palakpak. With honors, Marquez Miel Megan Ross. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkaloob ng kanyang mama. With honors, Patani Rona Andrea Nicole. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang papa. Pugado Maria Georgina with honors. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob ng kanyang mama. With honors, Ramos Briner James. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang papa. At makakatanggap rin siya ng sertipiko at medalya. Mula sa Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria Parish. Please allow me to read the content of the certificate. Archdiocese of Cotabato, sandali lang. Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria Parish, Lapu-Lapu Street, Tacorong City. Certificate of Appreciation goes to Briner James C. Ramos. In grateful for the recognition and appreciation for his invaluable service and support to the community as one of the member of the Ministry of Altar Servers, thereby contributing to the realization of the parish vision and mission. Given this 15th day of April 2025, at Takurong Pilot Elementary School, Poblacion, Takurong City, Sultan Kudarat. Signed, Modisto A. Kakbay Jr., Ministry of Altar Servers President. Jonathan S. Porazo. Signed, Jonathan S. Porazo, Parish Pastoral Program Coordinator. Signed, Jenny V. Anyago, Ministry Coordinator. And signed, Reverend Father Izaldi D. Panagiton, DCC, Parish Priest. With honors, Sinarimbo Arich. Ang kanyang medalya ay isasabit ng kanyang kuya. With honors, Tamagos Arman Kevin Nicole. Special award goes to Casas Dana as Isra'a qualifier. Okay, congratulations. Thank you.
Mga batang nagkamit ng karangalan mula sa pangkat Zamora. With honors, Castroy Troy C. Agrasada. Ang kanyang medalya ay ipagkakaloob sa kanya ng kanyang ina, Ivy Agrasada. With honors, Jeline M. Aprosta. Ang kanyang medalya ay pagkakaloob sa kanya ng kanyang mama, Wilma Aprosta. With honors, Rian Jan